So for today, I'm gonna do an unboxing. See ya! Hey guys! Welcome back to Chendy TV. So, I am back after months of not vlogging because, it's so hard to share something that I'm not, capable of sharing. So, today's video, I'm gonna show you my first purchase. It's not actually a first purchase, but it is something that, it's part of my cycling journey. So this one, it's an upgrade. This is the Speedone Sniper. And it's pretty much expensive, so yeah, let's get started. There you go. Black Sniper. So yeah, unboxing. And there. So here it is. Wow, it's so lightweight. This is nice, but unfortunately it's actually not for me. I'm not the one's gonna use this, but my husband will. But anyway, yeah. This is a ratchet type kind of hub. So this is, I think, one of their the most expensive version of Speedone hubs. I've known their hubs, I think the Speedone Soldier, but this one, I think this is a new you think so? This is a new it's their ratchet type. Okay, so that's it. Look at the packaging. So it's just the same one as the Speedone Soldier, but yeah. But yeah, sound check. So, there you have it. So, we will be, okay. There you go. Okay, we will be filming later the installation of it. Oh, no, it's actually, yes, we'll be filming. Alright, there you have it. Once I'm gonna show you a little bit of information about the product. So it says here that the model is Speedone Sniper, and the spoke hull is 32H. Hub color, it is black, of course. Material AL7075-TC, and axle CR-MO. Hub system, as you can see, that's the sound of it. Speedone patented technology Redshot 150T, made for cross-country trail, AM enduro. Front bearing, it's SNS 17287-2RS. Rear bearing, Japan ISO 6902-2RS. Of course, there should be a warning on everything or in every product that you purchase. So, use Redshot system high temperature grease. And yeah, to maintain the quality and somehow to maintain the use of the hubs as well. So there you have it, and I'm gonna see you on my next vlog.